Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Electronics Virtual Laboratory. In today's session, we will discuss the practical black box. It is a very interesting practical. So just go to list of experiments and click on black box. So in this practical, first go to simulation. Practical is the identification of the unknown device. So we have a black box, and in this box there is one component. We have to identify that either the component is a diode or a resistor. So we can identify the component with the help of the characteristic curve. So let's start the simulation of this practical. So click on identify the unknown device. So this is the schematic diagram, or we can say circuit diagram. There is a DC voltage, a resistance, and an unknown device across which a voltmeter is connected to measure the voltage across this particular device, and an ammeter to measure the current. Our task is to change the value of DC volt and resistance volt value, then measure the value of current and voltage across this unknown device, add these values to the experimental table, and then plot a graph between current and voltage. So on the left hand side there is a list of instructions. First we have to set the value of DC voltage to 0.2 volt and the resistance should be 1 kilo ohm. Then change the value of voltage up to 12 volt. Note down the value of voltage and current across the unknown device, and then plot the VI graph and observe the change. So if the curve between current and voltage is a straight line, then definitely it is a resistor. But if the conduction starts after 0.6 volt, that is the forward bias voltage of the silicon diode, then our device is a diode. So let's start the simulation. So first fix the value of DC volt to 0.2. So click 0.2 and resistor to 1 kilo ohm. So resistor value is 1 kilo ohm. So add these values to our experimental table of voltage and current. The current is in milliampere. Then again change the value of voltage to add it to the experimental table. Take at least 10 values for a smooth graph between current and voltage. Then we will check that the relation between current and voltage is linear or exponential. So I think 12 values of current and voltage is sufficient. Now we have to click on the tab plot. So this is the characteristic curve that we got from this unknown device. So as we can see that this graph is not a linear graph, so definitely it is not a resistance, it's a diode. So identify the unknown device, and I am clicking on diode to check my answer. So just click on enter. Yes, you are correct. So it is a very good simulation practical, or you can say example, to just check out the difference between resistance and diode with the help of the characteristic curve. You can simulate it for resistance also, and you can check the condition for reverse bias also. So this is all about the simulation of this practical, that is identify the unknown device, that is black box. Thank you.